Want to actually make progress on something in the next 30 days? Here's the simple approach I use. Pick one clear, testable outcome and build a small plan around it. Not get better, not study more. One thing you can pass or fail, plus a rhythm of practice that helps it stick. Why bother being that precise? Because when the goal is fuzzy, everything feels optional. When it's specific, your brain finally knows what to aim at. And then you can use 3 ideas that honestly change how I learn. Metacognition, thinking about how you're learning. Deliberate practice, focused reps with feedback, and spacing. Short sessions spread out over time so it actually sticks. The first time I tried this, I went from I should really run more to run 25 minutes easy without stopping. That switch flipped everything. Here's the step-by-step. Pick one and follow it pretty much as is. Step 1. Pick one concrete outcome. Ask yourself, what one thing would clearly show real improvement in 30 days? Use action verbs. Hold a 3-minute conversation in Spanish about daily routines without switching to English. Solve 5 medium LEET code problems without hints. Run 25 minutes continuously at an easy pace. If you can imagine filming yourself doing it, you're on the right track. Step 2. Make it measurable. Add a metric you can test. Replace get better with 3 minutes duration, 5 problems count, 25 minutes time. It's a simple pass-fail. Clean. Step 3. Check your baseline. Do the task once today and record the result. No judgment, just data. If you're aiming for a 3-minute Spanish chat, see how long you last before switching to English or freezing. Baselines make progress obvious, and that's motivating. Step 4. Define success in a stopping rule. Write down what done looks like and when you'll stop tweaking. Something like, on day 30, I can hold a 3-minute conversation using basic grammar with at least 70% understandable vocabulary. If you hit it, you're done. If you don't, you still learned what to adjust next round. Step 5. Break it into weekly milestones. 30 days is easier in 4 chunks. For Spanish, for example, Week 1. Learn 150 must-use words and do 20-30 minutes of daily speaking drills. Week 2. Practice 3 scripted 1-minute dialogues and record them. Week 3. Do 5 5-minute conversations with partners or tutors and collect feedback. Week 4. Simulate the test. A full 3-minute conversation, then review and repeat. Adjust the numbers to your level. The point is clarity, not heroics. Step 6. Design deliberate practice sessions. Each session needs a focus, feedback, and a stretch. Focus. 1 grammar point or a tight set of words. Narrow beats vague. Feedback. A tutor, an app that corrects you, or record yourself and mark mistakes. Stretch. 1 notch outside comfort. Speak faster, use new vocab, or do it without notes. 10 high-quality minutes here beats an hour of kinda sorta practicing. Step 7. Schedule spacing. Short frequent sessions win. Think 20-30 minutes, 5-6 days a week, plus 1 longer weekly review. Revisit the same material on a schedule that grows. Today, then 2 days later, then 5, then 10. You'll forget a bit between sessions, that's normal. The relearning is where retention happens. Step 8. Add accountability and reflection. Once a week, do a mini test. A recorded conversation, a timed run, or a small problem set. Then ask, what worked this week? What got in the way? What will I change next week? That plan, act, check, adjust loop is where the learning locks in. It's not fancy, but it works. Common pitfalls to avoid. Vague goals. Improve Spanish is a shrug, not a plan. Goals that are too big. Don't promise fluency in a month. No feedback. Practice without feedback plateaus fast. All or nothing thinking. If you miss a day, just resume. Adjust, abandon. Quick templates you can copy. Outcome statement. In 30 days I will specific action 4 metric by practicing 4 times each day and reviewing progress weekly. Example. In 30 days I will hold a 3-minute conversation in Spanish by practicing 25 minutes daily, vocab plus speaking drills, and doing a weekly recorded conversation for feedback. A small personal note. The first time I wrote a goal like this for running, I thought it was too simple to matter. But having that exact target, 25 minutes easy, no stopping, made decisions automatic. Do I go out today? Yes, because it's on the plan. Do I sprint? No, today is easy pace. Clarity turns motivation into routine, and routine does the heavy lifting. Conclusion. This isn't magic. It's a few clear choices. Pick a measurable 30-day outcome. Get a baseline. Set weekly milestones. Run deliberate practice with feedback. Space your sessions and reflect once a week. Start tight and small. You can always go bigger next month. Call to action. Drop your 30-day outcome in the comments using the template. Do your baseline today and log the result. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe so more people find it, and so you've got a nudge to keep going next week. Summary: define one precise, testable 30-day outcome and build a simple plan around it. Baseline, weekly milestones, deliberate practice with feedback, and spaced sessions. Check progress weekly, adjust lightly, and avoid vague goals or all-or-nothing thinking. Clarity plus consistency beats intensity over time.